For decades, the ultimate symbol of success was a massive mansion. Tall gates, private guards, marble floors, and endless rooms designed to impress anyone who walked inside. Owning a huge estate meant you had made it. But something strange is happening behind the scenes. Billionaires are quietly selling these homes. Not upgrading to something bigger, not replacing them with something flashier. They're simply walking away. What looks like the dream from the outside often becomes a burden on the inside. A mega mansion doesn't just sit there looking beautiful. It demands constant attention. Staff salaries, security teams, landscaping crews, repairs, insurance, and utilities that never stop running. Even rooms no one enters need maintenance. Over time, what once felt like a reward starts to feel like a responsibility. At the same time, the meaning of luxury has changed. Size is no longer the ultimate flex. Privacy is. In a world of satellite maps, drones, social media, and public property records, large homes are impossible to hide. Mansions attract attention, and attention brings risk. For wealthy families, being visible can be dangerous. A smaller, well-protected home offers something a palace never can: anonymity. Modern billionaires also live differently than the wealthy did in the past. They don't stay in one place. Their lives move across countries, time zones, and continents. Private jets, global businesses, and flexible citizenship have made permanent roots less attractive. Maintaining one massive property that sits empty most of the year no longer makes sense when you can live anywhere in the world at any moment. There's also a financial reality few people talk about. Governments now track wealth more closely than ever. Large, visible properties are easy targets for higher taxes and scrutiny. A giant mansion sends a message, and sometimes that message invites the wrong kind of attention. Selling quietly isn't a downgrade. It's a strategic decision. So what replaces the mega mansion? Instead of one giant estate, many wealthy individuals choose multiple low-profile homes spread across different locations. Some use private compounds, others hold property through trusts or companies. The focus is no longer on being seen, but on staying untraceable. The mansion era isn't ending because billionaires can't afford it. It's ending because they don't need it anymore. In today's world, true luxury isn't about size or spectacle. It's about control, flexibility, and silence. And sometimes, the most powerful move is disappearing from view. For more videos like this, please subscribe to Luxury Life.